In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Bill.com. Logging out might seem like a small step, but it's really important for keeping your account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, or if you tend to stay signed in across multiple devices. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confidently end your session every time you're done using Bill.com. First, make sure you're already logged in to your Bill.com account and you're on the main dashboard or any screen within the site. The option to log out is always in the same place, so it doesn't matter if you're viewing invoices, bills, or your settings. Take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the Bill.com interface. Here, you should see a small circle that either shows your profile picture, if you've uploaded one, or your initials inside a colored circle. This is your account icon, and it's the key to accessing your account menu. Once you've located that icon, move your mouse over to it and click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear. This menu typically includes options like your profile, account, or company settings, subscription details, and, most importantly for this video, the option to sign out. Now, in that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Sign Out. The wording may be exactly Sign Out, and it's usually toward the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click on Sign Out. When you do this, Bill.com will close your current session and return you to the login page or a confirmation screen showing that you've been signed out. After signing out, it's a good idea to double-check that the logout was successful, especially on shared computers. You can do this by trying to go back using your browser's back button or by revisiting the Bill.com page from your history. If you're properly logged out, you should be asked to enter your email and password again before accessing any account information. That's all there is to it. Find your profile icon in the upper right, click it to open the menu, and select Sign Out. Make this a habit every time you finish working in Bill.com to help keep your financial data and company information